So this is part 2 of the assemble of the Mermaid RC. Just making the connections. And as I was saying, let's plug in the battery. Turn on the radio first. Plug in the battery. So throttle is number 3. Number 3 is throttle. Number 4 is rudder. Number 4 is rudder. And I'm gonna label this so that next time I know it. Stai ai fitted pinter, nicht sag. And number 4 is the roller. I don't know if you can see it move in the back. No, I fitted pinter and done, no? Tem lá em cima?
Acho que sim.
Vais lá atrás, faz favor. So I always have trouble in connecting this because I never know where the wires go. So in this case, throttle will be 3, rudder is 4, ailerons will be number 1 ailerons, and number 2 will be the elevator. But I'm just gonna put you some labels. With a pen. I don't have tape yet. Fucking hell, man. Okay, fuck it. I'm gonna use this tape, it's not the best one, but what I'm gonna do is I'll put this here. I'm gonna pick up a piece of paper. Okay, so I'll use this piece of paper and I'll do something very simple, as you'll see. So I'm just gonna cut 4 pieces of paper. And I'm gonna write down, so channel 3 channel 3 is throttle. Channel 3 is throttle, and we'll glue this here. Okay.